Hey there, beautiful soul. Have you ever pondered on the fact that God has no skin color? Our God is infinitely divine, without the complexities of human limitations. God is a spirit who is neither influenced nor controlled by human thoughts. Picture this. Colors are all around us, each vibrant and unique, just like the uniqueness of our human skin tone. But when it comes to God, many traditions describe God as being beyond all colors, beyond all forms. Why is that? Let's dive a little deeper. Think about light. When light passes through a prism, it splits into a spectrum of colors. But in its purest form, light is clear and colorless. Similarly, God is the pure essence of existence, beyond any single identity or category we can imagine. Color often reflects the uniqueness of God's creation, evident in the diversity of skin tones. All of humanity was made in the image of God. Every culture, every person, every belief system has its own hue in the grand spectrum of life. But God, the divine, the source, whatever name resonates with you, is the unity that holds all these skin colors together. It's the invisible thread that connects us all. Imagine a world where everyone truly understood this. How much more love and compassion would we share? How much more unity would we feel to know that we are all children of God, born from one divine source? We hail from deity. That's we are offsprings of God. When we realize that the divine essence within me is the same as the divine essence within you, the notion of separation or superiority based on skin tone begins to dissolve. It's like the ocean. The waves are individual, but they are all part of the same vast expanse of water. Likewise, we are all unique manifestations of the same divine essence. This understanding helps us move beyond the superficial differences and connect on a deeper spiritual level. So, the next time you think about God, remember this. God has no color because God embodies all colors, all forms, all beings. God is a spirit that is not defined by human operations. It's a beautiful reminder that at our core we are all one. Embrace everyone regardless of skin color and see them as your brothers and sisters, all descended from Adam. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and remember, you are a part of something infinitely beautiful and divine. Until next time, peace and God's blessings.